Hey, what's happening? Dan here. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn $900 a day working just 2 hours around your schedule. Okay, so what this is, guys, this is called master resale rights. It's when you purchase a product one time and then you can resell it over and over again for 100% profit. It's a super beginner friendly program, guys. That's what I love about this. It's so beginner friendly. You just have to follow the steps and you can have success. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so step number one, guys. You want to promote a product for 100% profit, okay? So I promote digital products, digital programs inside of the e-learning industry, and you can earn 100% profit by promoting these digital programs. You want to promote something that's in high demand, and we promote top-selling programs inside of the e-learning industry, okay? We've done over 17 million in sales with our program, so we know that people like it. Okay, 17 million in sales since last April, and we're averaging around over $100,000 in sales daily simply by promoting these programs, okay? So step number two, you want to automate your business for time freedom, right? So automated system, guys, you can make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. We call it the freedom machine. So what happens is people go here to your website, they're going to put their email in. So you're going to be building your email list. Then they're going to go to a thank you page. They're going to watch a video, get more information. If they're ready to buy, they're going to go to your sales page, okay? And once they go to your sales page or your website, they purchase one of the products from you, you get paid instantly through your payment processor, 100% profit, right? And then there's also going to get emails sent out to them daily, following up with people for you. Okay. So this is all automated, guys. What you just want to do is drive traffic to your website. So people are going to put their email in. You're going to be building your email list and they're going to be part of your email automations and they can purchase from you at any time. This is how you make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. How cool is that? Okay. And then once you get this set up, you can set it up in less than a day. Just get it set up, follow the steps. We show you how to set it up in the program, get it set up. And once it's set up, guys, you just need to promote your business. You need a way for people to discover your business. This is the discovery method. So we teach you how to create 3 pieces of content daily that you post to social media to attract daily paying customers. And this, we're going to teach you how to create quality content, guys. So you're going to stop the scroll with a catchy hook. Then you're going to have value and you're going to relate to people inside of your content. We're going to teach you how to do that. And then also you're going to have a CTA at the end of all of your content, whatever content you post, CTA, it's called a call to action. Okay, so at the end of most of my videos, guys, I'll say something like this. If you want to learn more about this blueprint, comment ready. I would absolutely love to share it with you. Okay, so 3 pieces of content a day and then post free ads on high traffic websites. We give you about 200 high traffic websites that people go to. Okay, so you're going to post ads there. They're going to find your ad. They're going to click on your website. They're going to put their email in. So they're part of your automations and they can buy from you at any time. That's why we post free ads. Copy, paste, and post, very easy. And then you can go live, guys, because if you go live, what's going to happen is you're going to grow your following and you can also get instant sales while you are live. Okay, it's happened to me many times. I've gotten instant sales while I've been live. Okay. And sometimes I've made over $1,000 just by going live, guys. So it's really powerful. So 3 pieces of content every day, 30 minutes, post free ads for 30 minutes, go live for 30 minutes. That's it. This is the 2 hour workday. You just got to master this. And this is how you earn $900 or more daily pay. Okay. So just go to my website, wealthwithdan.com, and you can learn more about this. Now, let me just share my screen. I'm going to show you what happens. See, guys, you got to purchase one of the programs to get started. Like I said, you got to purchase one of the programs. So there's 4 different programs. You purchase one of them, okay? Legacy Builder, 900. If you purchase the 900, you get all of the programs. So you get 4 income streams, right? 900, 600, 300, and 100, 4 income streams. You purchase the Digital Mastery, you get 3 income streams, okay? You purchase the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, you get 2 income streams, and the Launchpad is 1 income stream. So you purchase one of the programs, whichever one is the best fit for your goals and dreams, and then you pay $29 for your website. That is it. And after you do that, guys, you're going to have instant access to the program and you're going to want to set up your business so you can receive payments. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. So let me go here. Let me go here. Okay. So yeah, guys. So look, this is what you're going to see once you purchase your website. You're going to get instant access to one of the programs. It's going to look something like this. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, you want to go down here, okay? And you want to go to automate your online business for time freedom. You see, you just follow all these steps. Pretty easy, guys. Just follow the steps. Make sure you pay attention. Pause the video when you need to, and just make sure you follow everything. Okay. And then once you follow the steps, your system's going to be ready. You just want to go here and test your automated system. Okay. You just watch this video, follow the steps, make sure your automated business is working. So then you can start promoting it. Okay. And then after that, once you get your automated business set up, you can go back here and you can watch this launch kit for your online business, guys. You can watch all of this, especially this 2-hour workday. You want to go here, you want to watch the 2-hour workday, this video, watch that 2-hour workday, okay? And then you want to watch the launch to profit in 7 days, because this is going to show you how to get your business launched, okay, and how to go into profit in the next 7 days, right? So that's it, guys. That's what's going to happen. And then once you're inside of here, guys, you can go to our community, because you get access to our community as a free bonus. So let's go to the community. So look, here is our digital growth community. We have over 40,000 members, guys. And just look at the wins that are happening inside of our community. Look at Daryl, 900 while at Verizon store. Teresa, over 6K in a day for Teresa. Crazy, guys. Imagine you made over 6K in a day. How would you feel? Great, right? You'd feel amazing, right? Definitely. Okay, Sadia, $300, was getting ready to bed my son. Amazing. Jessica, 3,400 in a day. Someone pinch me. She worked an 8-hour shift, guys. She's a mom. She worked an 8-hour shift and she still made 3,400 in a day because our automated business is always out there working for us. Okay. Ray, $350 while on vacation. Automations work. So blessed. Tony, 1,800 for the week. 40K in the last six what? The last 6 months, guys. 40K in the last 6 months for Tony. Okay. He's 61 years old. So if he can do it, so can you. I want you to say that right now. If he can do it, so can I. Guys, if you have any questions about this, just drop it in the comments. What is keeping you, what is stopping you from starting this program? Okay. And have you tried to earn money online before? What did you find difficult? What did you struggle with? Drop it in the comments. I want to know. Let me answer your questions for you. Okay. 39 subscribers on YouTube. Nice. First sale. Nice. Daryl, 1,800 in the last 24 hours. Awesome. Mel, $3,200 a day. What? Amazing. Elsa, first $100 ding. Yes. So look, guys, you can see first sale after 3 months. It took her a little while, guys, but you can see, look at everyone's cheering her on. Look at the support. Yay, that's awesome. Awesome, Joni. Congratulations. That's wonderful, Joni. Congratulations. Congratulations. So you can see we just love on you. We support you. We inspire you. We encourage you. That's what we do inside of our community, guys. And so you can see some of the results, so you understand that this process works. And you can check out, look at it in the classroom. You get all of this, bonus training. You get training inside of the program, and you get training inside of the community too. So we're going to have a content vault for creating content, help you with creating hooks, guys. So many different hooks you have here. Okay. And then there's mentoring replays. There's mindset training. Okay. There's mindset training here to help you with your mindset. 6 figures in 6 months training. So there's tons of training, guys, inside of the program and also inside of the community. And then look at the calendar. You can see we have mentoring. We have 6 and 7 figure mentoring 2 to 3 times a week. Like today we have one too. Today we have one at 8. Okay. We have an 8. We have a mentoring call today. And then we have our legacy builder call on Tuesday. We have millionaire mentoring on Tuesday. Social media training with Amy. Okay. So 2 to 3 times a week, guys, there's mentoring, live interactive mentoring going on. And if you have trouble setting up your business for whatever reason, you have trouble setting up your automated system, there's also tech support there for you. Okay, so that's the community, guys. And let me just show you what the automated system looks like. It looks something like this. Okay, this is called the capture page. So you're going to get a capture page that's going to look something like this. Of course, it's not going to be me. It's going to be a different picture, but this is the capture page, guys. People go here, they're going to put their email in, right? And then next page is the thank you page. They're going to go here and they're going to watch this video from our mentor, Michelle. She's a $1 million earner, guys. She's made over 2 million in 2 years. And she created this program and she follows the process too, guys. She just creates content every day. She goes live. That's how she's made over 2 million in 2 years promoting digital products, okay, for 100% profit. And then you're going to go here to the website, guys. So these pages are out there working for us 24/7. Learn the 900 daily pay blueprint. You can see, if you go to my website, you can see how it works. Follow the simple 3-step system to start making 100% profits, guys. Here's how it works. Step 1, get started. Purchase one of the digital programs that best fit your goals and needs. You will get instant access to your program and your step-by-step digital training in our amazing community. Step 2, learn how to launch a daily paid business, okay? We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on high traffic websites for free and how to create content for social media to drive tons of traffic to your automated system. Step 3, start earning passive income online. Start earning on autopilot with an online business. Okay, this is what the website looks like, guys. You can see my pictures. You just replace those pictures with your pictures because you're branding yourself, you're building your brand, okay? Step-by-step program to learn how to make $900 passive daily pay. So this is what people are going to see, guys. They're going to see this website, and you can see this is a well-done website. Okay, we modeled this website after like some of the most highly converting websites on the internet. So we modeled it after those top earning websites, guys. That's how we created this. Okay. Legacy Builders program includes everything you need to have a successful online business plus live interactive mentoring, so you are never alone in your journey. It shows you what's included inside of everything, shows you what's included. Then there's these bonuses you get, guys. So you can read here, you can see what's included in each of the programs, like a launch kit for your business, how to automate your business, how to post free ads, how to grow your following, how to make 100% profit from other people's products, finding your ideal customer, why this matters, storytelling, how to share your story, how to get perfect customers to engage with you, how to build a strong brand, discovery method, how to attract customers. Then we have a 6 figures in 6 months, okay? Income earning activities, what is recurring, build a recurring income stream, all this you get, email marketing. And then we also teach you how to create your own product or program if you want to do that. Plus all these bonuses, guys. Canva crash course, 30-day market strategy growth plan, your invisible empire, faceless marketing, okay? And then here's some testimonials, another $2,000 a day. If I can do it, anyone can. So people are going to go here. They're going to purchase one of the products, the 900. And there's also payment plans available in America. So that's me, Dan Bellen, 1,800 just before sleeping. Yes, that was fun, guys. Love this program so much. Just be consistent. Yes, 600, 300, and 100. Okay. So yeah, that's the website, guys. So these pages, guys, this is the automated system that you get to use. It looks something like this. Okay. And then you also get this page. This page is going to be sent out inside of your email to people. So people can also, you're also going to get this page as well. So these pages are doing all the selling for you, all the telling, closing the sales for you. And like I said, you could set this up in less than a day. Okay. So also now, guys, I'm going to show you how you can post free ads. So part of our 2-hour workday, guys, every day, like I said, you got to create 3 pieces of content that you post to social media for 30 minutes. You post free ads for 30 minutes, go live, and that's it. Hour and a half finished. The rest of the time, you just respond to messages and just go through some of the training in the program and inside of the community, stuff like that, because the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay. So let me share my screen again. I'm going to show you I'm going to show you like creating content. I'm going to show you how to post free ads real quick. Give you some examples. Okay, so here's an example of me creating content on my TikTok channel. This is my TikTok, guys. You can see official Dan Bellen. Hopefully you can see this, right? So you can see the kind of content that I create, guys. Sometimes I just walk around places and I just create like 10-second videos, and then I just put words, I just put words over the videos, okay? And then I have a lot of talking videos where I'm just talking, explaining how this program works, how this program can help people. So if you go to my TikTok, if you go to official Dan Bellen, you can just check out what kind of content I create, just so you can get some ideas of how we create content. Plus we have so many, content. We have so much training about creating content. It's insane. So you just want to, when you're creating content, guys, you just want to speak from your heart, just be as real as possible, share your story with people. You want to have a nice little hook. You can see at the beginning of my content, guys, I have a nice little hook. Like this video, I have 69,000 views. What does it say? $900 a day. That's an extra $27,000 a month and an extra 300. Yeah, so that's my hook, guys. I'm like $900 a day. People are gonna be like, whoa, what? And so I'm grabbing their attention, and then I just share some value inside of my content. And then I have a CTA at the end where I say, comment ready or comment yes or drop a 1 for more information. And then they drop a 1 or they comment ready, and I say www.wealthwithdan.com for details. Okay, so then they know exactly where they need to go. And other people can see my website also inside of the comments. Okay, so this is an example of how to create content. Plus you can also go live, right? So I like to use TikTok a lot. I go live on TikTok. I create content on TikTok. It's very good. I always do at least 3 pieces of content every day on TikTok. Okay. YouTube is also great. I create content for YouTube as well. It's also a great platform. YouTube and TikTok are my two faves. Okay. So that's how you create some content in here. This is how you post free ads, guys. Look, you can go here. This is one of the websites where you can post free ads. So look, you can post ads anywhere in the world. Let's go to the United States. Let's go to California. Let's go to Los Angeles. Now, make money, okay? Make money. And then let's go here. Let's just pick one of the headlines. I already have all these headlines saved. Let's do attention moms. And then look, I have this saved in my Google Docs, so it's ready to go. Simple copy and paste, copy, paste, and post, guys. Where did that go? Where did I go here? Yeah, okay. So right here, you see I just copied that. And then I can also incentives. It's already saved because I've been here before. Earn $900 daily pay, work 2 hours a day. Okay. And then I'm going to put some pictures. You see I have these pictures. It's already saved in my computer because I've done this many times, guys. See, once you get used to this, it's really easy. I'm just going to put a couple pictures in here. Okay. Like this, and like that. Bada boom, bada bing, right? I'm so happy and grateful now that I've made $900 a day today. I'm so happy and grateful now that I've made $900 or more today, guys. I'm speaking my reality into existence, okay? Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I have a millionaire mind. What is your favorite affirmation? Drop it in the comments, guys. I love to say this. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I have a millionaire mind. I'm so happy and grateful now that I made $900 or more today. I'm prospering every day. So drop your favorite affirmation in the comments. And if you have any questions about this so far, guys, please drop a comment and I'll respond to your comments, okay? Okay, so this is how you post ads. Now let me post it. How easy was that, guys? My ad is posted. I just posted my ad, okay? Post free ad, your ad has been posted. It's active. My ad is active now, okay? That's it. That's how you post ads. So, yep. So does that make sense? These are the income earning activities. This is how you make money here. $900 daily pay, guys. This is exactly what you need to do. Get started, purchase one of the programs, which you have the master resale rights to. There's zero monthly fees. Remember, zero monthly fees. You purchase one of the programs. After that, you get your automated business set up so you can receive payments. And then after that, you just promote your business following our 2-hour workday. Remember, 30 minutes a day, you create 3 pieces of content that you post to social media. 30 minutes a day, you post free ads on high traffic websites. And then 30 minutes a day, go live. And that's it. Hour and a half, guys. You're finished with your income earning activities. The rest of the time, just respond to messages, comments, or emails that you may have, and then go through some of the training in our program or in the community. And that's about it. And make sure you attend the live interactive mentorings that we have 2 to 3 times a week from 6- and 7-figure income earners on a Zoom call. So you can actually ask them questions face to face on the Zoom call. Okay. So, if you're sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, if you're sick and tired of just living paycheck to paycheck, or if you just want some extra money, this is the most beginner-friendly program that I've ever found when it comes to earning money online with digital marketing. It's definitely the best and the most beginner-friendly program that I've ever been a part of, okay? So if you want to know more, just make sure you go to my website, okay? Go here, go to wealthwithdan.com. You can find the link in the comments. You can find the link in the description. You can also find the link somewhere on my YouTube page, wealthwithdan.com. Okay. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments or you can reach out to me and I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. And also, guys, if you put your email in, okay, I'm going to send you the PDF blueprint, the daily pay blueprint, plus there's videos you can watch and you can also read the website and you can just respond to my emails if you have any questions. Okay. So I'm here to help you succeed. Our community is here to help you succeed. And we have live mentoring 2 to 3 times a week to help you succeed. You just have to be coachable and take action and follow the steps. Okay. All the best, guys. I'll see you on the next one. God bless.